The highlight of the Siemens Inspector project was definitely the demo week in Gensendorf, where we used to fly 4 days alongside the Powerline. The benefits of an innovative, smart, unmanned Powerline inspection is definitely that there is no risk on human life. Compared to a human piloted operated aircraft, there is no operator in a danger zone along the Powerline.
The smart unmanned Powerline inspection in Gensendorf was based on our Look certificate, which we obtained early this year as the first company in Europe. Regulations on unmanned systems are rapidly emerging, so we need to keep pace with these regulations in technical and in operational matters.
We at Siemens Energy believe that our comprehensive manned-unmanned automated service is a game changer for overhead Powerline inspection. On the multi-sensor system, we use multiple ultra-high-definition color cameras, a 3D laser scanner, and also thermal imaging and corona cameras.